Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Nasim Reza, and if you are new to this video, then please subscribe to my channel. And today I am going to discuss 5 best affiliate network for promoting digital product. So I hope you already know what is digital product. Digital product means software, apps, PDF or courses and so on that don't need any shipping. Okay, so let's explain the first one. Voice is ClickBank, of course, a leading affiliate marketplace specializing in digital product like ebook, software and online courses. Here is wide range of digital product across niches, health, fitness, business, etc. And there is high commission rate, this 50% and even sometimes 100%. And this is very beginner friendly and affiliate looking for high ticket offer. This is the trusted and reliable marketplace for you. So you can join on affiliate network called ClickBank right now, and it's so free and there is no too much approval process. And just when you sign up this product, this marketplace, you will get all the affiliate product promoting access in one time, so you don't need to approve the product one by one. So that's why I always love ClickBank to promoting the product as a affiliate. The next marketplace in my list, which is ShareASale, a well-established affiliate network with thousands of digital and physical offer available on this marketplace. So if you sign in with this network, you will get all the affiliate access in the same time like the ClickBank, and it's so easy, and you will get many kind of niches in one marketplace. And the payment method is simple. Just you can go to ShareSell.com and you can sign in and pick up the best product. And the third one in my list, which is of course JVZoo. So if you want to target specifically on digital product, then this marketplace is best for you. I love their system, their interface and the process, how it works. And their payment method is so simple. You can simply sign in their account as an affiliate and you will get this kind of dashboard, and you will get commission when you get sales. And this is so simple and awesome. But one thing that I want to mention, which is I don't like, which is you have to get access for every specific product. Like if you want to product one product, then you need access, and if you want to product another product, like one by one you need access for promoting that product. Okay, so but beside that, this is awesome and very easy. And the fourth one in my list, which is Warrior Plus, a popular platform for digital product, especially in internet marketing and self-help niche. So that means is low cost front end offer and recurring commission you will get when you product promote one time. You will get commission. So this product always be cheap in front, so you can easily promote and get sales this product, and their interface is also cool. So this marketplace has one downside that I think, which is you have to get one by one approval like JVZoo for all the time. Beside that, this marketplace is awesome. And Number 5 and last marketplace in my list, which is Dystore 24. Dystore 24 is a global affiliate marketplace that focuses on digital product including ebook, online courses, software and membership program. Its popularity is very top on the internet. Also it has the health and personal development niche, so wide ranges popular offer you will get from this marketplace, and you can get high commission, which is 50% to 90% commission rate. And here you can see that Trustpilot score is too high, so is so secure and trusted on reliable marketplace that you can join and get working, like get offer and promote that you want. So that's it guys, that was the 5 affiliate network in my list, and I think in 2025 you should, if you want to start affiliate marketing, you can join the anyone that you like, and you can easily start promoting the product and you will get commission. So if you want to learn more about promoting and how you can drive traffic and how you can get sales, then you can stay tuned. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will publish more video about affiliate marketing. So that's it guys, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.